Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hold on. Okay y'all, so I am back. What I wanted to do, and this is going to be different from the last video that I did when it comes to moving my challenges, well not challenges, but moving the money around on Ally. It's going to be different. So I currently got a headache, and today is Friday. I did take some Sudafed and I'm starting to feel better, but I wanted to do this route to see if it makes a big difference when it comes to timing. So I already have the rest of my challenge for February colored in because I'm going to add $10 to that bucket. And for that challenge, the entire challenge looks like this. This is the Blessed Ladies challenge created by Abigail and Gracie over at Grammy's Journey. Designed all of these for the entire year. That way, we all are able to save $25 a month. So for the challenge and collaboration, we have, of course, Blessed Budget by Abigail, aka Barbie, Gracie, Grammy's Journey, myself, I Desire Wealth, Tanya over at Nightlife. We have Miss Onyx over at Budget for Success. Hop into budget with Bunny because Bunny is going to help you save a whole lot of money. And then we have Lil's over at Lil's World 733. Next we have Trina over at Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens. And last we have Christy over at CW Does Life 8715. So every month we are completing the challenge. If you can't save 25, pretty much you can save what you can, whether it's $5, $2, $1, because everything adds up. So I did not take out the laptop, and I headed out earlier, and then I said, you know what, let me try something different. So I'm here on my phone. Hopefully I don't get disturbed. So in the core, we have $210. I haven't edited anything yet. I have all the totals right here. So let's put this money where it needs to go. And let me change my setting as well. Hold on. Okay, and I am back. So let's get started with putting the money where it needs to go. For a core savings account, we're starting out with $210. That's the $100 that automatically went to it. That's the $119 that I sent. Also, it's the $37 that was left over, and I think that's it. So for the first one, we want to add $20 to weather preparedness, and this is new. And of course, you know how the weather is in Tennessee, which is extra crazy. So when it's crazy like this, how we got snow and or tornadoes last year as well, you just want to have a little bit extra money just in case. So I started that. I also created a office tech envelope, and that's just for, you know, things such as desk, anything tech related such as a new phone. Of course, hold on, wait, that's tax money that I haven't did anything with yet. It's just sitting there for the moment until I figure it out. The next one we want to put money in is Chris Challenge for her 2025. Thank goodness is Friday. So let me go ahead and fix this. There we go. So for thank goodness is Friday, altogether will end up being $127, and I am adding $35. And if you're wanting to know where the $35 came from, it came from right here. So I already had set $7 aside, and then I'm doing $35 for number 14 and 21 for the month of February. And I'll figure out the last amount next week sometime. So we did Chris TGIF challenge. Next we're skipping myself. Next we're going to go ahead and give Barbie that $50. Jasmine, what are you doing? So Barbie gets $50. And why is she, y'all? Oh, I forgot about this. So next we want to do Christmas. Christmas will end up having a total of $160. Y'all, why did Jazz... Girl, I'm gonna let you out. You gotta wait. She's really wanting to get out. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so Christmas got $160 so far. And now we're going to skip all the way down to healthcare. Jasmine, what are you doing? So when it comes to healthcare is only getting $10. So altogether, healthcare is getting $100 in total. Next, we have special occasion, and if you see any hair dangling, I did unwrap my hair this morning and I combed it out. So, special occasions doesn't have any money, but I am giving it $10. What's the next holiday, y'all? Is it Easter? Yeah, it is Easter. For Bestie's wedding, I'm giving her $10. So this is going to be updated to $50. We're skipping girls trip, which for girls trip, it is possible that I may take all of that money and put it in family ties to go towards my family reunion, since we're having one in Washington. We skipped girls trip. For family ties is getting $20. So that means I need to take this amount out, and it's going to have $45 altogether. And I feel like I should have just did this the regular way, but we'll see how it goes. What's next? Next we have... Okay, y'all, so my phone did stop recording, and what I wanted to do is come back and show you all where I put all the money. And I'm so glad I've written everything out on paper. So send to Navy Federal. I just created that bucket. That way I can remember, hey, I need to send this $45 to my credit card to pay for Chris things that I got on her lunch. check out her website. Also, support T-Man. He is Chris' nephew. I think, I forgot how old she said he was. Maybe 11, if I'm not mistaken. But y'all, let me show you. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Yes, I did print things in color. These are 3 saving challenges from Budgeting the Bacon. I finally printed them out. I'm a little behind, but that's okay, Nigel. They are beautiful. Next, and I'm probably going to start fresh next month. This was just a test so I can figure out how to use it. Chris, this is an awesome challenge, by the way. And where are those? Here they are. So these are by Chris' nephew, T-Man. And they are $1 each. And every time he gets a sale on Chris's website, she gives him the money. She did, I think she gave him a binder that he could cash stuff. So please go support T-Man. These are so beautiful. So we have this one. And then we have this one. Isn't they, aren't they pretty? Y'all, he did that. Definitely better than I can. Thanks, Chris, for helping him. Okay, back to business. I did make a envelope. Well, not an envelope, but a bucket for save for the things you want. And what I may do, Jasmine. Oh boy, she gonna make me get up, ain't she, y'all? So I made a bucket for save for the things you want. But I may end up, instead of doing the full amount, I may do the half, whatever the whole month was divided by 2. So, Chris Challenge, TGIF, I did add $35 to the challenge to make it $127. For Abigail's challenge, I did add $10. Let's try that again because I'm apparently sleepy. So I did add $10 to make Gabby's challenge. I think my niece is talking about me, y'all. Abigail's challenge, $25, and the month of February is completed. Sorry, Barbie. I added $40 to Christmas to make it $160. For healthcare, I did add $10 to make it $100. For special occasions, I did add $10. For my best friend's wedding, I added $10 to make it $50. Family ties, I did add, how much did I add? $20 to make it $45. And then we have $30 added to the quarterback. And I also added $25 to auto funds to make it $100. So, I'm not sure how this video is going to go, but at least I got it out right. So, this is where I was just trying to figure out where things are going to go. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on save. Okay, so I got everything saved, and I'm looking at this, what I thought were freckles right here on Peyton's face. Come to find out, y'all, that is not a freckle. That is some mustard. Y'all, I need to go. I'm all over the place. I'm sleepy. I need to take a nap. So have a good night. Don't forget to download your challenges. Definitely go and check out Chris' website over at Budgeting Just Because. Have a good night, y'all.